and no pilot required. Whizzing around, city to city.
Did you know that China has just introduced a transportation technology so advanced that the United States can't match it? The latest developments in next-generation engines are redefining the transportation industry, and China is leading this revolution. While the US struggles to keep up, the Asian giant has unveiled an innovation that could change the future of global mobility. In this video, we will reveal how this new technology works, why it's leaving the United States behind, and what this means for the future of transportation. Do you think the US will be able to respond to this breakthrough? Let me know in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss more content about innovation and technology. Let's get started. EHang 216S, the autonomous air taxi. Can you imagine getting into a driverless taxi that simply flies you to your destination effortlessly? China is taking urban transportation to new heights with the EHang 216S, a fully autonomous drone taxi that could redefine mobility in large cities. This unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by the company EHang, offers an innovative solution to traffic and urban congestion problems. Unlike a traditional helicopter, the EHang 216S is fully electric, meaning zero emissions and significantly reduced noise levels, ideal for urban environments. How does this air taxi work? The EHang 216S is designed for short and medium-distance flights, with the capacity to carry up to 2 passengers at a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per h. Its technology is revolutionary as it operates with 8 pairs of electric rotors that allow for vertical takeoff and landing without the need for a runway. Unlike conventional airplanes or helicopters, this flying taxi does not require a pilot. Its autonomous flight control system manages the entire process, from takeoff to navigation and landing, using artificial intelligence and advanced sensors to avoid obstacles and ensure a safe ride. Key features: maximum speed of 130 kilometers per h and an operational altitude of 3,000 meters. Emergency landing mode, ensuring the aircraft can descend safely in the event of a rotor failure. 100% electric, with zero emissions and silent operation. Autonomous navigation, with no need for human intervention. Could this drone taxi work in the US? Currently, the EHang 216S has completed test flights in China and other countries, showing its viability in urban environments. However, its adoption in the United States would depend on regulations and flight permits, as the use of autonomous aerial vehicles still faces legal barriers in many cities. This flying taxi is not just a futuristic concept, but a reality that is getting closer and closer. In the future, we could see urban airports specifically designed for this type of transportation, allowing for faster and more efficient travel without relying on ground traffic. Would you like to see flying taxis in the US? Jump Aero JA1, the eVTOL that will save lives. In an emergency, every second counts. The Jump Aero JA1 has been designed to respond faster than any other form of transportation. This electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL aircraft, is not just meant for personal mobility, but it will revolutionize emergency response. Its compact and aerodynamic design takes advantage of cutting-edge electric propulsion, ensuring fast, quiet, and emission-free flights. The JA1 is not only fast, but also easy to operate, with an intuitive control system that allows operators to maneuver it with full confidence. Ideal for dense urban environments or remote areas where traditional vehicles would take too long to arrive. With the Jump Aero JA1, emergency response is completely transformed. There will no longer be a need to wait for an ambulance or helicopter to reach a difficult-to-access area. This compact eVTOL can land in tight spaces and provide immediate assistance. The future of transportation is not just about efficiency, but about saving lives, and the JA1 could make a difference in the most critical situations. Honda Moto Compact, the return of a modernized classic. Urban mobility needs innovative solutions, and Honda has decided to bring back one of its most iconic creations with a futuristic touch. The Honda Moto Compact is a reinterpretation of its classic folding scooter, but now fully electric. Designed for short trips, it can reach speeds of 24 km/h and offers a range of up to 19 kilometers on a single charge. Small but powerful, weighing only 18.7 kilograms, the Moto Compact is easy to carry and store, making it an ideal option for urban commuting. Its 3.5-hour charging time allows for multiple uses per day without hassle. Priced at $1,000, this electric scooter is not meant to replace larger vehicles, but to offer a fun and efficient alternative for short distances. A classic reinvented for the modern era. Zoox Robotaxi, the autonomous taxi of the future. For over a century, taxis have been a cornerstone of urban mobility, but Zoox, an Amazon subsidiary, has taken this concept to another level with a completely revolutionary design. The Zoox Robotaxi is a 100% electric autonomous vehicle designed for urban transportation with no need for a driver. Its design lacks a traditional front or rear, which means it can move in any direction without the need to turn, making navigation through crowded streets much more efficient. Unlike a conventional taxi, this vehicle is not designed to be owned by an individual, but to operate as part of an autonomous ride-sharing service. Its interior breaks away from the classic car design, offering a spacious cabin with seating for 4 passengers in a face-to-face configuration, providing a more comfortable and social experience. The Zoox Robotaxi is equipped with an advanced system of LiDAR sensors, cameras, and radar, allowing it to have a 360 degrees view of its surroundings. This technology enables it to detect pedestrians, cyclists, other vehicles, and even anticipate dangerous movements on the road, making autonomous driving safer and more reliable. In terms of performance, the Zoox can operate for up to 16 hours on a single charge, reaching speeds of up to 120 km/h, 75 miles per hour. This makes it a viable alternative to replace traditional taxis, with the added benefit of eliminating the need for human drivers and reducing operational costs. The future of urban transport? More than just a driverless car, Zoox wants to change the way cities handle mobility. By eliminating human errors, improving safety, and making traffic more efficient, robo-taxis like this could become the standard for shared transportation in the coming decades. With the Flyer taking us through the air and autonomous taxis dominating the streets, we are seeing the first steps of a revolution in urban mobility. The question is no longer if these vehicles will become a reality, but when we will see them in every city around the world. XPeng X3, the flying car that redefines mobility. A car that can fly with the push of a button? It seems like science fiction, but the XPeng X3 makes it a reality. The company XPeng Aero HT has amazed the world with a hybrid vehicle that can travel both on land and in the air. Its futuristic design allows it to take off and land vertically, VTOL, thanks to its 8-rotor system, making it a revolutionary option for urban and long-distance transportation. In land mode, the X3 behaves like a conventional electric car, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. But when it's necessary to avoid traffic or reach a destination faster, it effortlessly transforms into an aerial vehicle. The transition between both modes is intuitive and seamless, controlled with a steering wheel and gear lever, making it easy to use without the need for pilot training. The XPeng X3 can fly for up to 35 minutes at a maximum speed of 130 km/h. Its advanced charging system allows the land module to charge the air module, maximizing its range and efficiency. Moreover, its cabin is designed for 2 passengers with a 270 degrees panoramic view, offering an unmatched visual experience as it soars through the sky. With every new innovation in aerial mobility, we get closer to a world where flying cars are part of everyday life. The XPeng X3 is a first step towards that future, combining cutting-edge technology with practical usability. BYD Yangwang, U8, the SUV that defies limits. Can you imagine an SUV that can spin on its own axis and even float on water? China has made it a reality with the BYD Yangwang U8, a revolutionary off-roader that's changing the way we view luxury and adventure vehicles. This SUV not only impresses with its rugged design, but also incorporates cutting-edge technology that makes it unique in the market. Its advanced hydraulic system allows it to rise or lower by up to 150 mm, providing incredible versatility to tackle different terrains, whether on roads, sand, snow, or rocky areas. However, the most striking feature of this vehicle is its emergency flotation mode. If the U8 gets caught in a flood or a completely submerged street, it automatically seals its doors and windows, turns on the air conditioning to maintain optimal conditions inside, and can float for up to 30 minutes, moving at a speed of 3 km/h. This makes it an unparalleled SUV in terms of safety and adaptability. But this mode is not designed for recreational use. It's intended exclusively for emergency situations. Once the vehicle returns to solid ground, an inspection is necessary to ensure that the suspension and other mechanical systems are functioning correctly. Another of its most innovative capabilities is the 360-degree tank turn, a technology that allows it to spin on its own axis without moving from its position. This function is ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces and makes parking in challenging locations easier than ever. Under the hood, the BYD Yangwang U8 is equipped with 4 independent electric motors, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds, a remarkable speed for an SUV of its size and weight. It also features 4-wheel drive and a dynamic control system that adjusts the power of each wheel in real time to maximize stability and performance on all surfaces. All this comes at a surprising price of $50,000, a very competitive figure considering its level of innovation and the features it offers. Do you think an SUV with these capabilities should hit the US market? Let me know in the comments. Yamaha Motoroid, the smart motorcycle of the future. Motorcycles have evolved a lot in recent years, but Yamaha has taken things to the next level with the Motoroid. This conceptual model integrates artificial intelligence and advanced self-balancing systems, allowing interaction between the bike and the rider. The Motoroid is not just a vehicle, it's an intelligent travel companion. Thanks to its facial recognition and motion sensors, the Motoroid responds to physical gestures and voice commands. It can even park itself and follow the rider when not in use. With this model, Yamaha is not only redefining motorcycles, but also the bond between humans and machines. The future of motorcycling will not only be about power and speed, but also intelligence and connectivity. Hydrofoil jet ski flyway. Did you know that jet skis are also evolving? Introducing the Hydrofoil Jet Ski Flyway, a next-generation electric jet ski that doesn't just glide over the water, it literally lifts above it. This incredible device can reach up to 88 km/h and travel up to 100 km on a single charge. Impressive, right? What makes it even more amazing is the hydrofoil technology. These wings reduce water resistance, meaning more speed, greater range, and a much smoother and more enjoyable ride. Additionally, it's nearly silent and emits no pollutants, making it a sustainable option for water sports enthusiasts. The Flyer, the eVTOL that redefines personal mobility. Traffic in cities is increasingly chaotic, but what if, instead of waiting in a long line of cars, you could simply take off and fly directly to your destination? That's exactly what the Flyer promises, a vertical takeoff and landing electric vehicle, eVTOL, designed to revolutionize urban mobility. This innovative personal transport eliminates the need for roads and traffic lights, allowing you to travel above the congestion with complete freedom. Unlike traditional helicopters, the Flyer is compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, making it an accessible option for anyone without piloting experience. Its design prioritizes safety with multiple backup systems and intuitive controls that make flying as easy as driving an electric car. What makes it different? The Flyer is not just a futuristic solution for traffic, it's also quiet and completely electric, meaning zero emissions. Moreover, its takeoffs and landings are vertical, so it doesn't need a runway, but just a small space to take off and land precisely. Currently, regulations for personal eVTOLs are still being developed, meaning these vehicles cannot fully integrate into urban transport yet. However, the Flyer proves that air mobility is advancing rapidly. In the near future, traffic jams could be a thing of the past, and getting around the city could be as simple as taking off and flying directly to your destination. The Flyer is not just another prototype, it's a realistic vision for the next generation of personal transport. Over time, infrastructure and regulations will evolve to make these vehicles a common part of our cities. In motion, YZ-14, the monocycle of the future. Now let's move from water to the roads. The InMotion V14 is a revolutionary electric monocycle that can reach speeds of up to 110 km/h. Yes, you read that right. Just one tire, but powerful and agile, ideal for those looking for thrill and efficiency in their commutes. This electric monocycle is not only fast, but also compact, perfect for city travel without taking up much space. It can also tackle slopes of up to 50 degrees, making it suitable for rough terrain like gravel and dirt roads. Lazareth LMV 496, the most impressive flying motorcycle in the world. One moment you're on the road, and the next, you're floating in the air. The Lazareth LMV 496 is the first electric motorcycle capable of transforming into a flying machine, and it sounds as incredible as it truly is. Designed by engineer Ludovic Lazareth, this motorcycle merges the thrill of speed with aviation innovation. In its land mode, it operates like an electric motorcycle with a 60-mile range, an aggressive design, and a smooth ride. But everything changes with just the press of a button. The four wheels begin to tilt down, and that's when the real show begins. 4 jet motors integrated into the hubs kick into action, generating a total of 1,300 horsepower, enough to lift the bike off the ground and fly for up to 10 minutes before needing to land. The sensation of being able to take off at any moment redefines the concept of personal mobility. While this is not a vehicle designed for long-distance flying, it marks a significant milestone in the evolution of VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, technology. But all this advancement comes at a price. The Lazareth LMV 496 is not for everyone, and not just because it requires special training to operate, it's also priced at $500,000, making it an exclusive vehicle for a select few. While we won't see motorcycles like this on our streets anytime soon, it's a clear signal that the transportation industry is advancing toward a new era, where the boundaries between land and air are starting to blur. Personal mobility is evolving, and while this motorcycle may not be for everyday use yet, it offers a clear glimpse of what the future of individual transport might look like. Origo, the future of autonomous transportation. Let's talk about autonomous transportation and how it is changing the way we move. Origo is a company that has developed state-of-the-art autonomous capsules designed to transport passengers and goods. What's most impressive about Origo is its flexibility. These capsules can operate in urban environments and under extreme weather conditions. Additionally, they are 100% electric, making them a sustainable option for the cities of the future. Thanks to its artificial intelligence and high-precision sensors, Origo promises to transform urban mobility, making cities cleaner and more efficient. NIO ET9, the electric sedan with unmatched technology. A car that can shake off snow by itself? This sounds like something out of science fiction, but the NIO ET9 has made it a reality with its advanced hydraulic suspension system. This luxury electric sedan has caught the attention of the automotive world thanks to its combination of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated design. Its standout feature is its ability to move its chassis side to side to shed accumulated snow from the roof, eliminating the need for a scraper or brush. How does this technology work? The ET9 features an adjustable hydraulic suspension system that not only provides a more comfortable and stable ride, but can also make quick movements to shake snow off the body. But that's not all. This electric vehicle also offers exceptional performance thanks to its dual motor, which generates 77 horsepower. Additionally, its 120 kWh battery provides a range of 255 kilometers, making it an ideal option for long trips without worrying about running out of charge.
Yeah, there's a Chinese Nomi today, but you can have it with the visual Nomi, but you can also go without it if you don't like it.
Other impressive features include ultra-fast charging. It can recharge its battery in just 5 minutes. Aerodynamic and sleek design, ideal for those seeking luxury and advanced technology. Adaptive suspension system, improving stability and safety on different road conditions. With a price tag of $110,000, the ET9 is positioned in the premium electric vehicle market, directly competing with models from brands like Tesla and Mercedes-Benz. It's not just a car with advanced technology, but a symbol of luxury and exclusivity. Are we ready for this type of vehicle in the US? The automotive industry is evolving quickly, and China is at the forefront of electric vehicle development. However, it remains to be seen whether American consumers will adopt these technological innovations or continue to prefer more traditional models. A tip: if you're carrying coffee in the car, be sure to secure it before the ET9 starts its shaking routine. You might be in for a surprise. What do you think about the NIO ET9? Rosenbauer RT, the fire truck of the future. Now let's change the topic, but we're still in the realm of technological innovation. The Rosenbauer RT is the fire truck of the future. This vehicle features a hybrid system and high-voltage energy storage, allowing it to operate more efficiently and reduce emissions. In addition to being more environmentally friendly, the design of the Rosenbauer RT is more compact and accessible, improving speed and response time in emergencies. Do you think hybrid fire trucks will be the norm in the future? Write your opinion below. JC Gov, the flying car that changes the game. Urban traffic is a problem that seems to have no solution until now. JC has taken aerial mobility to another level with the Gov, a car capable of moving both on the ground and in the air. At first glance, the Gov looks like a compact electric car, ideal for city life. But its true secret lies in its modular design, which allows it to transform into a flying vehicle in just seconds. How is this possible? Its structure is made up of 2 sections: a base with wheels, functioning as a conventional electric car, a detachable drone, which separates from the chassis and lifts the cabin into the air. When city traffic becomes unbearable or the destination is too far for a ground trip, the upper module detaches and takes off with the passenger inside. Here, there are no steering wheels, joysticks, or pedals. The Gov is fully autonomous, so its operation is as simple as entering a destination on a touchscreen and letting the system handle the rest. What about the battery? One of the challenges many flying car prototypes face is range, but the Gov has the ability to locate charging stations in the air and connect automatically without needing to land. This means 0 interruptions in the journey and unprecedented efficiency in personal aerial mobility. The concept of flying cars has been around for decades, but the Gov demonstrates that technology has finally reached the point where these types of vehicles can become a reality. Will it be viable on a large scale? It's still a long way off before flying cars become part of our daily lives. Regulations, infrastructure, and safety are aspects that must be addressed before we see a sky full of personal moving vehicles. However, what is clear is that major cities need innovative solutions for mobility, and concepts like the Gov bring us closer to a future where street traffic will no longer be a problem because the solution will be in the air. Shane Electric Concept Car, the revolution on two wheels. The Shane Electric Concept Car is not just an electric vehicle, it's a total reinvention of mobility. Designed by Shane Chen, the creator of the original hoverboard, this innovative two-wheeled electric vehicle breaks all traditional molds. While at first glance, it may seem like a risky concept, its design is meant to be as stable and secure as a four-wheeled car. A revolutionary design, the Shane achieves stability thanks to automatically adjustable wheels, which maintain balance as the vehicle accelerates or brakes. Its center of gravity shifting system counteracts acceleration forces, providing a smooth and stable ride even at high speeds. The interior, designed to accommodate 5 adults, offers a completely different experience from any other car. It's more than just an electric car, it's a futuristic driving experience. With this proposal, Shane Chen is not only presenting a new vehicle, but challenging the traditional idea of what an electric car should be. Ridroid Kangaroo, the personal robot, that is also a vehicle. Can you imagine having a robot that not only helps you carry your things, but can also transform into a vehicle to take you wherever you need? That's exactly what the engineers from the University of Tokyo, together with the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics, have developed. Their creation, the Ridroid Kangaroo, is an innovative robot that combines personal assistance and mobility in one device. How does it work? The Ridroid Kangaroo has 2 main modes. In its assistant function, it can autonomously follow you and help transport shopping bags, backpacks, or any other items. But when you need to move, this robot transforms into a scooter or Segway-like vehicle, allowing you to travel at speeds up to 10 kilometers per h. This robot is not just a mobility platform, it's also equipped with advanced mapping and positioning sensors, enabling it to navigate autonomously and adapt to its environment. Thanks to its environmental recognition system, the Ridroid Kangaroo can avoid obstacles and move safely, whether following its user or transporting them in driving mode. Moreover, in emergency situations, the robot can take control to avoid collisions, ensuring a safe ride. While it also has a manual mode, its autonomous navigation capabilities make it an interesting option for future assisted mobility. The creators of the Ridroid Kangaroo envision a world where these robots could be used as smart taxis, allowing people to call them via their phone and use them for quick and safe trips. This idea could revolutionize the way we move in urban environments, especially in areas where traditional mobility is limited. Though the Ridroid Kangaroo is still under development, its concept shows that the future of mobility is not just about electric cars and motorcycles, but also about robots that can adapt to our daily needs. With technologies like the Raptor and Ridroid Kangaroo, we are witnessing a new era in transportation, where innovation and automation are shaping the mobility of the future. Toyota concept iWalk, the new era of personal mobility. Not all future mobility is about big vehicles. Sometimes the perfect solution is something smaller, more accessible and practical. The Toyota concept iWalk is an innovation designed for short urban trips, ideal for people who need to move quickly without relying on cars or public transportation. This 3-wheeled device incorporates a navigation joystick, eliminating the need for advanced balance, like on a hoverboard. Its intelligent system allows even elderly people to use it with ease. The iWalk is more than just an electric scooter. It integrates artificial intelligence, automatically adjusting its wheelbase to improve stability as speed increases. With a range of up to 20 kilometers, it's perfect for moving around the city effortlessly. The future of personal transportation isn't just about flying cars or eVTOLs, it's also about compact devices that facilitate mobility for everyone. The iWalk is proof of that. China's aerial train, the future of urban transport. Imagine traveling around the city without traffic, no jams, and total efficiency. China has made this a reality with the world's first unmanned aerial train, a mobility solution that could change urban transportation as we know it. This sky train operates on a 10.5 kilometers elevated monorail and can travel at a speed of 60 kilometers per h, carrying up to 200 passengers per trip. Its futuristic design not only makes it visually appealing, but represents a key innovation in terms of infrastructure and sustainability. What's most impressive is that this rail system was built in just 7 months, the same amount of time it would take to install a conventional subway line. In a world where cities are becoming more crowded, the aerial train is a solution to combat urban congestion while providing fast, clean, and energy-efficient transportation. Could this be the future of public transportation? Only time will tell, but the possibilities are exciting. Raptor, the revolution of 3 wheels. Japan is renowned for its advancements in mobility, but this time they've taken innovation a step further with the Raptor, a 3-wheeled vehicle that redefines the versatility of urban transportation. Designed by Royds Tech, the Raptor isn't just another electric tricycle, it's a revolutionary concept in modular mobility. Its unique design consists of 2 separable parts, the upper unit and the lower base. This feature allows the vehicle to split and reassemble easily, offering unprecedented flexibility. Why is it so innovative? This modular design means that the Raptor can adapt to various needs. It can function as a compact city vehicle or transform into a useful cargo unit for businesses and delivery services. Moreover, its lightweight structure and quick assembly system make it ideal for urban environments where space is limited. In terms of performance, the Raptor is equipped with a 48-volt battery, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per h and cover up to 40 kilometers on a single charge. While its speed is moderate, its range and efficiency make it an eco-friendly alternative for urban mobility. Since it's a bike with motor assistance, a driving license is required for its use, which could be a limitation in some markets. However, its futuristic design and functionality position it as an attractive option for those seeking practical, flexible, and sustainable transportation. Royds Tech doesn't just see the Raptor as an urban mobility solution, but also as a tool to redefine transportation in commercial and business sectors. With the rise of e-commerce and delivery services, this vehicle could become a key piece in the transportation ecosystem of the future. Mobility is changing, and the Raptor shows that the future of transportation isn't just electric, but also modular and adaptable to different needs. Technological competition, US versus China. Now, let's dive into a hot topic, the technological competition between 2 giants, China and the United States. Both nations are heavily investing in the development of electric vehicles, autonomous systems, and next-generation transport. China focuses on mass production and the efficiency of its electric vehicles. Companies like BYD and NIO are leading the charge with low-cost electric cars and drone taxis. On the other hand, the US specializes in advanced technologies and high-performance vehicles, with Tesla and Rivian at the forefront. Infrastructure also plays a crucial role, with the US betting on autonomous highways and charging networks. Who will win this race for the future of mobility, China or the US? Leave your comment below. As competition intensifies, the US is also working on revolutionary engines for 2025. These innovations focus on sustainability and performance, aiming to improve energy efficiency without sacrificing power or range. Tesla is leading the way with its new generation of electric motors, while General Motors is researching new hydrogen fuel cell technologies. In the aerospace sector, SpaceX and Boeing are developing advanced propulsion engines with a focus on sustainable fuels for rockets. What do you think will be the greatest engine innovation by 2025? Comment below and share your opinion. And that's a wrap. A look at some of the most exciting technologies that are transforming the world of transportation. Which of these innovations impressed you the most? Remember to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you won't miss any updates about the future of mobility. Hit the bell to stay informed on the upcoming breakthroughs that will revolutionize how we move. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more technological innovations that will change our lives.